present my Arduino course assignment using a 4x4 matrix keyboard to control a 7-segment digital to be. The goal of this segment is that when we press the number keys 0 to 9 on the matrix keyboard, this 7-segment digital display can display the corresponding numbers in real time. Firstly, let's take a look at the hardware used in the experiment. It might mainly include an Arduino Uno 3 R3 development board, a 4x4 matrix keyboard, a 7-segment digital to be with a command case holder, as well as resistors for current limiting and breadboards and dew point wire for connection. Next is the circuit connection path. As you can see, the 8 points of the matrix keyboard are connected to ports D2 to D9 of Arduino. The 8-segment selection pins of the 7-segment digital to be from a to DP are respectively connected to Arduino's D10, D11, D12, D13, A0, A1, A2, and A3. Each segment solution line is connected in series with a 220 ohm resistor. Most importantly, because this is a command console digital to be, its command pin COM is directly connected to the GND of Arduino. Now let's take a look at the working principle of this 4 matrix keyboard. Its biggest advantage is saving pins. It's use 4 and 4 grid, which is 4 rows and 4 commands to locate 6 buttons. So only 8 pins are needed in exchange of 16. Its working mode can be imagined as fast as can. Arduino will activate each row in sequence, such as activating the first row first, and then immediately detecting all columns to see if there is a button pressed to connect the current. If no, continue to activate the second and the third lines, and repeat this process. Color scanning process is very fast. Arduino can immediately come to any keys we press. In our code, the keyboard each line has automatically com completed this complex scanning task for us. We only need to simply read the key values. The logic of our program is actually very intuitive and can be summarized as a continuous scan judging executes loop. Once the program starts, uh, it enters an inflating loop, constantly responds three things. Scan. First is scan the keyboard to see if any keys have been pressed. Judgment. Then it will determine whether the press keys is a number. Execution. Finally, executes the operation based off the judgment result. If it's a number, display it. If no, clean the scan. Clean the screen. This process happens very quickly, so we do feel any delay. This is the core logic of the uh, entry program. Constantly scanning the keyboard, retreating based on input, and then immediately preparing for the next scan. Next, let's take a look at the most critical parts of the code that make the entry system run. First, we need to tell the program how to our hardware to connect. The segment pins area is the connection diagram of the 7 segment digital to be. It defines which pins of Arduino control which section of the digital to be. Keyboard and keyboard to keyboard is used to configure our keyboard library. We tell the library which pins are rows, which pins are commands, and the layout of the keyboard look like. The 7 text edges array is the most core data structure of the entry program. You can imagine it as a translation dictionary when we want to display the number 1 on the digital display. The program will look up this dictionary and find the code corresponding to number 1. Finally, in my loop, it's this key lines of code, the command everything. Firstly, keyboard, the keypad, gate key. We request from from the keyboard library. What key we just press? Then, if key bigger than 0 or and the key smaller than 9. Let's make a judgment is the button number. Next is the clever transformation here. Enter digit, the key and the zero. The purpose of this line of code is to convert the hierarchy file or time need from the keyboard into an integrate of a file that can be calculated by computer. Finally, the display digit. We call the display function and press the convert intake file into. The function will look at our translation dictionary, find the code corresponding to file, and then line are digital to be. To summarize, it's obtaining keys, determining whether is the number bigger than converting to the intake. Look at the dictionary of for display. The clean process is core of our program. Is stable operation. Finally, let's demonstrate in the practice. I will press the key on the keyboard, and everyone should pay attention to the region of the digital display. When we press the keyboard, the digital display will show corresponding numbers. Finally, we success implement to complete the control system from input to output today. We not only understand the working principle of matrix keyboards and the 7-segment digital 2B, but more importantly, we have precisely turned the code into reality, allowing the hardware run stably according to our instruction. Okay, thank you for watching.